Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the core pieces working. Install imaging edge and the camera drivers, then connect the camera via USB or Wi-Fi. Once done, set the camera to PC remote or tethering so the app can detect it. This allows live view and shutter control. Make sure to sign into your user profile and configure basic preferences like save location and color space, because those choices control how images are recorded and prevent delays later when you start shooting. Now focus on capture workflow. Use live view to compose and make exposure adjustments, because seeing real time lets you correct things quickly. Switch autofocus modes or magnify the view to confirm sharpness. Enable bracketing or focus stacking if your shoot demands it. Make sure you select RAW or JPEG and set the color profile and the tethered save folder so images are written where you expect. Once your settings are locked, trigger shots from the desktop for consistent, repeatable results during a session. Finish by exporting and archiving. Convert RAW to the desired format, apply presets, and batch process to save time. This produces deliverables quickly while preserving originals. Save your session as a preset so settings are replicable next time, and immediately back up the image folder to an external drive or cloud to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, like a sudden disconnect, first restart the USB connection, reauthorize PC remote on the camera, or swap cables. These steps fix most common tethering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.